My name is Gina. My stream is 1/CS120. Now I'm going to explain about the program banking, which has functions like view balance, withdraw balance, and deposit money. And this is my program. Now I've created the super class that is cash, and I've declared the variables like string name ATM and the code number that is 123 and the string location is Kanyakumari. Now I've declared the functions that is in view balance that views a balance in and return zero in withdraw the money and view void deposit function and this is the I've created another class that is SBI. SBI is an ATM in Kanyakumari, and it is a base class which extends to super class. In here, I've initialized some variables that is customer balance, account number, charges that is 20. A charge 20 means the amount of balance that you have taken, and the charge amount of charge it takes in SBI is 20. And here I've created a scanner class for the base class, and here I've declared some arguments that is string customer number, that is customer name, and balance and account number and PIN number. And here this is used to call each of the variable that is this dot cust name is equal to cust name and this dot balance is equal to balance and account number is equal to account number. PIN number is equal to PIN number and have the function that I've created in a super class that is view balance and deposit and so on. And view balance, there's a variable I've created account in the account again, and the print is I have to print that is enter the account number and the scanner dot next print is to call each of the is to get the input from the user and this is the condition that is if account is equal to account number then this condition is true. Bank balance, it shows the bank balance because it is used to view the bank balance this function. Else, it does not view. If it is incorrect, then it will tell to check the balance. This is a second function of data that is withdraw, that is to withdraw the money from the ATM. And here I've created two variables that is amount and PIN number. And here enter the PIN number and PIN is equal to scanner dot next and is used to get into the user. I'm going to enter the PIN number and this is the condition PIN is equal to PIN number. If this condition is true, then enter the amount to withdraw and the amount for each of the I'm going to get in from the user and charge amount charge and here this is the condition that I've created if balance amount is less than or equal to zero then it is insufficient balance else if the condition is true then balance is equal to balance amount it shows the balance amount your balances which is the balance and else is a three condition that is incorrect if it is incorrect then it cannot withdraw the amount we cannot withdraw the amount and this is the deposit function that is I'm gonna throw the money inside and this is the two variable I've created that is amount and the account number one that is print is enter the account number to deposit the money and to get the final balance. I'm getting each input from the user and this is the third class second class I've created second base class created that is syndicate ATM. In here I've created the variable same as the SBI and the charges here is 30 and before in SBI it was 20 and this is scanner class I'm going to get the input from the user. I use this thing to call each of the variables and I'm going to view the balance for indicator 18 that is I create the variable as EN and enter the account number I'm going to get it from the user and if this condition is true then it will check the balance or else if it is incorrect then it will show that we have to go and check the balance again and it will return this another function that is withdraw withdraws the two variables and the PIN number and you have to get in from the user. And this is if this condition is true, when it's the PIN number, then it will show the amount to withdraw and get in from the user. If this condition is true, then it's sufficient balance is It will show the balance is. If it is incorrect, then it will not be withdrawn. And deposit account, that is two variables, that's amount and account number one. We have to enter the account number, and it will get it from the user. This is the amount to deposit, and this is the you have to get it from the user, and this it will show the balance amount. And I'm going to go to the third base class, that is HDFC ATM, that is HDFC extends cash, the same as it is followed there. And in HDFC, have created the arguments, the same as the customer name and balance, account number and PIN number. And here I've created a function that is view balance. And here I've created a variable as AN, a local variable as AN, and I've entered the account number. I'm going to get in from the user, and if this connection is true, then it is satisfied, or else we have to check the account number and check the balance. And For withdrawal purpose, I've created two variables, and this is a PIN number to get it from the user. If this is the condition, then this is the PIN number. If this condition is true, it will withdraw the amount, or else if this condition is true, then we feel insufficient balance and we cannot withdraw the amount. If it is not true, then we can withdraw the balance. You can see the current balance. And here, if the PIN number is incorrect, then we cannot withdraw the amount. And for deposit is there's two local variables, and we have to enter the account number, get it from the user, get them from the deposit, and get it from the user, and we can check the bank balance and your balances somehow. I'm going to go to the main function. In main function, we have to use all the three ATMs here and mention what are its functions. And here I've created a main function that is string argument, and I've created a new object called cache ch, and it's with a new cache. And here I've printed that first is SBI ATM and Syndicate Bank and HDFC Bank. And here I've created two variables, that is choice 1 and choice 2, CH1 and CH2. And I've created a scanner class for each of the main functions. And here, so the print we have to have into the choice. And if this condition is true, choice 1 is equal to 1 means if the choice is 1, then SBIB, this condition will be, we have to satisfy this condition. SBIB is equal to new SBI, this is the object. If the condition is true, then we have to follow the syndicate bank account. It is name, um, balance, amount, and PIN number, and the amount that is withdrawn and the balance checkup. And here there's the HDFC, that is HDFC, third choice is HDFC. And here I'll use a do while loop. Do is to do the operation, and do while loop, and C is equal to, we have taken it from the user if it is choice 2. And here in choice 2, I'm going to do while loop. I'm using switch cases, that is CH is the she is the object for each of the function, that is view balance, withdraw, deposit, and so on. And break is used to terminate a statement, and this is the while condition. If it is true, then it goes on. And now I'm going to enter the choice. I've run the program. I'm going to enter the choice STI. So I have to follow the STI thing. SBI. So enter the choice, of operation, that is enter the choice of operation, and account number is 1, 2, 3, 4. And bank balance is 5,000. It shows the bank balance. Since this condition is satisfied, it goes on for all the other banks as per the condition. Thank you.